Hello, I'd like to introduce you to one of our adhesive systems, the M-Bond AE-10. It is a room temperature curing epoxy adhesive system. It has no solvents involved with it, so it is one of our more benign materials in terms of like plastics and those things that might be negatively affected by solvents. It's capable of going up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit long term and down to minus 320. It is considered a permanent adhesive system within the parameters of elongation and temperature. Requires clamping pressure of 5 to 20 psi during a 6-hour room temperature cure. You can elevate the temperature and accelerate that cure if you'd like. And let's open up the box and have a look a little bit at what's going on here. We've got 6 10-gram resin jars. We have a single bottle of Type 10 curing agent, and a total of 6 pipettes and stirring rods necessary for the mixing and or dispensing of the adhesive system. This adhesive, along with many others, are going to be available on our MM shopping site coming soon.